Still, the farmers would like to go ahead for cotton because it is a promising crop in India. And as we all know that pests are causing havoc in cotton, specifically the bollworms. They are causing major issues and major losses in cotton in India. So what we have done, we have developed an Android based solution, technology which helps farmer to identify the pest and take timely measures and to reduce the pesticide usage. So need-based pesticide uses we are recommending. So how we are going to deal with that I will explain in upcoming slides. So we have developed an AI-based pest detection model which works on an Android mobile, and that is handy tool to a farmer who are not able to identify the pest, because many of the farmers, they are still unaware about the cotton bollworms. They are confused with the identification part. So we have developed an AI algorithm which helps the farmer to identify the pest and to help them to take proper measures at proper time so that they can reduce their input cost. Also, I would like to introduce my institute. So we have been established in 2018. We have been inaugurated by our Prime Minister Modi ji, and the two people you can see at extreme right and left, they are our co-founders, Wadhwani brothers. So we are a non-profit independent organization. We are building AI-based solutions in agriculture, health and education. So we are building these solutions free of cost for the users, end users like farmers or the beneficiaries, and we are not asking or taking a single penny for the users. So our base is like we are working for social impact. So we have our own donors, so they donate money for developing low cost technology based solutions for end users like farmers. As I told, we are also working in health and education. So we are using the money for building AI based solutions and to, for the underprivileged people in India. So what we do exactly? So we are developing AI Center of Excellences with governments and civil bodies, and we do AI based trainings, AI awareness campaigns with them, and also we are currently developing 30 plus solutions in health, agriculture and education. So our approach is multidisciplinary, collaborative and impact based. These are our partners. So we are working with Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, as well as Niti Aayog and many of the private partners. We are working in PPP model, if I explain it, in public-private partnership model. And these are our two leaders who are guiding us throughout all the solutions. They are having a very good expertise in AI and machine learning. Shekhar is our Chief Executive Officer and Alpan is our Chief ML Scientist. So these are some of the solutions which we have developed so far, and there are particular solutions which are directly related to farmers like Cotton Ace, the National Pest Surveillance System. Agri Collect is a digital diary for farmers which farmers can use. It is an audio and text based solution and image based also. The farmer has to just record whatever he has done, so automatically it will save what the farmer has done. So this solution will be soon launched, and this is Krishi 24/7 and Kisan Call Center Knowledge Management System. These two solutions are particularly built for Ministry of Agriculture and they have been launched recently during September, and Ministry is using it by all the departments of Ministry are mostly using this solution for purposes like we are providing a dashboard to them. I will explain these solutions later on, and few solutions are still in pipeline. So let us go to the first solution which I mentioned. It is related to cotton, and this is an early pest warning solution for cotton which helps the farmer to identify the pest and take timely control measures. So it is AI based early pest warning system which works for cotton bollworms. We started this solution in 2018 and slowly we are incorporating and improving this solution in terms of accuracy, because in AI it is not like that other softwares, like you once you develop the software and put it on the ground and that's done. It is not like that. It needs continuous improvement and analysis to improve on the solutions. So we received 2 awards for this as well. Google Impact Challenge Award and also H&M Foundation's Global Change Award for this. Recently we have received $3.3 billion grant from Google to expand this solution to other crops. So as we all know, India is the largest cotton producer, but still we know that India grows 25% of world's cotton, 36% of global area under cotton is in India under cultivation, and India has around 6 million cotton farmers. But still, if we see, the average production is very less as compared to the world production. And the losses estimated crop losses are 30% due to pest attacks, and 70% estimated proportion of pest damage is caused by these bollworms. So that is why we took up these bollworms first. And another thing is that, what I would like to mention here is that 50% of pesticides are consumed by cotton only. So this solution works at 3 levels: the farmer, the extension worker, and the program partner or the administrator, we can say. So the farmer has to install the traps. This is a trap-based solution, and farmer has to install the pheromone traps in the field. Say if it is BT cotton, then 2 traps for pink bollworm, but if it is organic cotton, then 3 traps, 2 for pink and 1 for American bollworm. And another level is, and he has to download the app as well. Second level is of extension worker. To the extension worker, we will map all the farmers in the particular village. So we all know that pink bollworm is a major issue in India, and we cannot control the pink bollworm by concentrating or focusing on a single farm. It should be done at a village level or a cluster level. So that is why we are engaging the farmers, all the farmers in the village level. The next is administrative level, and the administrative level we are providing a separate dashboard to each of the partners so that they can manage their own data, they can formulate their own advisories, and they can monitor where the attack is more, and they can allocate the resources accordingly. So this slide denotes the 3 layers. Like other than this, we are also providing some additional features to the farmers. Like we are providing the mandi rates to the farmers, we are providing daily weather, and also the advisories related to whether they should go ahead for spray or not. So for this purpose, our app has been used extensively this Kharif season. So this is the dashboard, the third larger picture which you can see here. So on dashboard, the administrators can look at what is exactly going on the field, how many alerts have been generated, and how many farmers are using the app, how many extension workers and farmers are monitoring the field. So this is how the app works. So you can see a farmer emptying the trap on plain white paper. He will take the picture, he will upload it on the application, and instantly he will get the advisory. That is based on ETL level of the pest. Each pest has its own ETL level. So based on ETL, he will immediately receive the advisory. So this is our deployment status. We deployed with 1,16,000 farmers this year. Also, we had generated around 15,000 alerts. So 3 types of alerts are generated. If it is above ETL, then red alert is generated. If it is below ETL, then yellow alert is generated. And if it is safe, if the pest has not crossed any ETL, then it is green alert. So we have covered around 4,573 villages across 11 states, which are major cotton growing states in India. And also we had 31 partners who took our solution to the ground through their extension workers, which also included 3 state governments, Karnataka, Punjab and Telangana state government and Madhya Pradesh government. So the impact observed is that we do third-party evaluations, so E and Y, and University of Agriculture Sciences, the Harvard, they had done the impact assessment, and they found that the farmers have reduced their expenditure on pesticide, and they have got increase in yield, price and net income. So as I told earlier, it works at village level. So the farmers are attached to the extension worker. So we have a structure as lead and cascade farmer. So the farmer who has the application and trap installed, he will be called as a lead farmer. And the farmer who does not have an Android mobile, so he will be also tagged with that lead farmer, so that he will receive the information whether the pest is introduced into that village or not. And we will just give that other farmer who does not have Android mobile, we will just ask him to monitor his farm and to get connected with his extension worker, so that he can get proper guidance at proper time. So we are not advising him to spray directly. And this application that farmer provides early pest warning, these are some of the features so that we have already seen. So this is the real-time dashboard, how it works, that I will show you. You can see here on the left side that there are some drop-downs: partners, supervisor, advisory management, cotton app users. So our partners have access to this dashboard, and they can manage their own farmers. They can see the continuous status, how the monitoring is going on, how farmers are involved in this activity, how many farmers are getting red alerts, how many farmers are having above ETL population. So like this, we have provided access to the farmers. These are some solution implementation requirements that our partners should have on-ground presence, because we are a small team all over India, and we are just 4 or 5 people who are looking after deployment in multiple states. So we require partners who are having on-ground presence of their presence. Then they should have good quality data, like basic information of farmer we are taking, with his location, his mobile number, because it requires Android mobile. It should be there with the lead farmer at least, who is leading from that village. Oh, sorry. So these are some key features. So once, at first you need to install the app, and it works offline as well. And if we talk about the accuracy of this solution is around 90%, and like it will give 90% accurate results of the images that they have been uploaded on the application. And this application is available currently in 9 languages in India. And also it gives real-time advisories. Like, it will not give generic advisories. That is what government platforms are doing right now. So it will give advisory for the particular farmer who has monitored the farm. So these are the findings of the third-party evaluation. So they have found that estimated reduction in expenditure for pesticides is around almost 25%, those farmers who are using this application. And estimated increase is there in 20% yield, because they have taken timely decisions. So this is our project outreach. We started with some pilots during 2019, 2020, 2021, and this year we outreached around 1 lakh farmers, 1,16,000 farmers. So these are our learnings so far. Regarding cottonase application, I have already told that users have higher family income, higher number of pickings, higher yield of cotton was observed. But like AI interventions in agriculture have major challenges to scale due to lack of data, lack of technology backbone, and other program challenges. And weather also plays its crucial part everywhere in agriculture in India specifically. So this is our another solution which I talked about. Like, we are expanding based on our CottonX experience. Like, what we do, we develop some solutions, we run them for some time, then we open source the solution. So CottonX is already available on Play Store. It is totally free of cost. Anybody can download it and anybody can use it. So based on that, now CottonX has been adopted by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare under this National Pest Surveillance System, Disease and Pest Surveillance System. So this is also AI powered pest and disease surveillance system. What new thing we have approached here is image based analysis. Based on symptom, yes, the farmer can take the picture of the symptom or the disease symptom or the pest damage, and immediately he will get the result, what is the infestation is of, and he will get the advisory based on the identification. So this solution is being run currently by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. So this is very simple and easy to understand. Advisory in farmers' preferred language. These are some of the features of NPSS. Real-time monitoring, then verified and crop protection advisories given by experts of Government of India, DPPQ and Plant Protection Department. And it reduces the crop loss risk as well. And instant and personalized advisories are given to the farmers. So how it works, how does AI works? Suppose a farmer clicks the image, the AI model checks it whether the image is proper or not, and then if the image is not proper, it will again ask to reload or upload the image again. It will analyze the image, it will detect the pest or disease, and it will give the output and it will suggest the remedies. So these are features, as I explained, same as of Cotonace. This solution is available in Indic languages, and expert curated farm protection advisories are already there. Accuracy is almost 96% with AI models, and continuous and real-time pest monitoring is happening through this. Currently this application is being used, it is under testing by CIPMC officers throughout India. So these are roles and responsibilities at ministry level, at divisional or nodal officers at state level, and agriculture experts and supervisors and extension workers, what roles they are doing in this solution that is given here. So this is the interface. This solution is also free of cost. This is available on the Play Store. Anybody can download it and use it. So this is how actually the pest disease detection takes place. The flow has been shown here. The first image is you can see here. This is the original image which the farmer has uploaded. The AI algorithm checks it and it draws a bounding box around the target, and immediately it gives the result like this. It will analyze based on ETL or the grade of the disease. So this is how the solution works. So these are some of the features. We can integrate this solution with any of your applications which are previously available with you, and we can provide the APIs for this integration, and we are open for this because our aim is to reach out to the underprivileged farmers. So this is another solution. This is a web crawler which we have developed specifically for Ministry of Agriculture. This is a web crawler. What it does, so it gathers all the e-published news in any of the languages in India. And what it does, it compiles the information and it is provided on a dashboard in ministry. Various departments in ministry are using this application for their own purpose, that where to allocate the resources, where is the pest infestation. Any news related to agriculture will be catched up. How that will happen, that I will show you. It eliminates the language barriers. These are some of the features of this application. Increased efficiency, instant dissemination of information, then human in the loop. Whatever solutions we are developing currently in AI, they are based on human in loop. Because AI has its own limitations, so we prefer to build the solutions which has humans in the loop. So this is how AI, our Krishi 24/7 works. So common crawler will be there. Whatever news are published online, they will be these will be digital news. The Google alerts are also taken care of. The AI model accesses all this information. It compiles the information and puts it on the dashboard for the ministry users. So this is how it works. This is the process flow, how actually the users once logs in, the AI search for news, the news event is shortlisted, news alert is created, and that news alert will go to the nodal officer. Nodal officer verifies it and assigns it to the particular division in the ministry, and then it goes to the divisional coordinator for the investigation purpose. So it is verified both ways. And then the division coordinator disseminates the information or submits the investigation summary and along with the proof that this news has been verified. And after this, the nodal officer approves the investigation and an alert is generated. So this is related to any type of news which is published digitally. So these are, currently we are analyzing or crawling 12 languages, news published in 12 languages, and summaries are generated with breaking news alerts like we get on the news channels for the ministry people, and they are using it into 150 subcategories in the agriculture domain. And also live feed for the latest agricultural news personalized only for particular division of ministry. They can summarize or they can filter the news particularly for that particular department. And there is a dedicated portal for this for the Ministry of Agriculture. So these are roles and responsibilities. I will not go into the detail for this due to lack of time. So these are the types of various departments which are using the different divisions of ministry which are using this portal currently, and these are the different languages which are used by Krishi 24/7 right now. And this is the interface, how it looks like. So it is just like ChatGPT. You might have heard about ChatGPT. So you can ask any type of question related to weather, related to agriculture, mandi prices, crop insurance, and it will give you the output in your language. There are filters provided. So this is just an example I had put here just to understand the concept. So what impact we have got through these solutions. So Kisan call centers like in India, they received almost 20,000 calls per day. But most of the queries of the farmers are not being answered properly. So what we have done, we have reduced the call time. What AI will do, by using AI, we have reduced the call timings. We will get the query from the farmer registered, and the FTA, the Farmer Tele Advisor, will call back the farmer, and we have also created a knowledge base for this Farmer Tele Advisor. And that will help him, because otherwise what he does Google only. But that information many times is not authentic. So we are providing a knowledge base to the FTA as well. So my question to all the audience present here: if you have data, if you have systems in place, and if you have interest, can your data be interpreted by humans to predict required output? Please reach out to us. We are ready to help you to use AI in your work anywhere. So this is our team who has contributed to all these solutions. It was not possible to accommodate all of them because we are working on various fronts. Some are looking the ministry front, some are on the field directly, some are on the solutions side. So you can visit our website and you can have a look at our team and our other works which we are doing. So thank you. Any questions? Yeah. Yeah. So just a moment there.
Thank you very much. This is a good one, particularly the quarterly-based solution. My question is, any plan to extend it to other developing countries? If no, I will advise that once the solution is fully developed, has been sponsored by Global Impact, you can seek FAO assistance, to extend it at least to the
Yeah, sure, sir. We are definitely looking forward to extend solutions to other countries as well. So definitely we can catch up. You can contact me. We can discuss in details. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon. That is a very interesting presentation, ma'am.
Thank you.
What I would just like to know, I'm wondering if when you picture the disease or pest, could it be identified? Is there a stage that can be identified by your app? I mean, early stage of disease or early stage of the
Yeah,
fetal stage?
yeah. At any stage.
At any stage.
Yeah, at any stage, you are just supposed to click the image of that symptom or that particular damage which is caused to the plant part or any plant, and then you can upload it on that application. So currently that application is there for 5 crops: paddy, cotton, maize, chili and mango. But slowly we are expanding to other crops as well. So horticultural crops and vegetable crops will also be included in that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.